Hey guys, it's Michelle and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a chunky braid out using the Coconut Crème Collection from Africa's Best, and I'm going to do my wash day. So first I'm going to start off on hair that is dry and it have a lot of dandruff in the front, so I'm going to need to get that clean. So I'm going to start off by shampooing my hair with their sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo, and this shampoo, it gently cleanses your hair and scalp, and it has 100% pure coconut milk and aloe. So I'm just going to go ahead and shampoo my hair, and I do shampoo my hair in two sections, so I'm just starting off with this first one and I'll shampoo my hair twice. Yeah, so here that is. Alright, so I am finished washing my hair and I'm going to rinse that shampoo out, and my hair is squeaky clean as you can see, and it has lots of shine. And after that I'm going to go ahead and go in with their Coconut Crème Restorative Conditioner, and I'm going to let this sit in as a deep conditioner, and I'm going to simply apply this to the sections that I have created and then twist them up. And I really liked using this conditioner. It has pure coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, and flaxseed oils in that. So here I am, just twisting it up, and then I'm going to put each side into a little bun and let that sit for about an hour. Alright, so here I have rinsed out that conditioner, and this is how my hair looks. It feels amazing and it's definitely really soft. And now I'm going to go in with their Coconut Crème leave-in conditioner and apply this to both sides. I really like this conditioner. It wasn't too heavy and it wasn't too light on my hair, so it was just the right consistency for me. And this conditioner acts as an intense moisturizing therapy to help protect against any breakage and shedding. So once I get that all over my hair, I'm going to then section my hair and get my hair prepared for the blow drying process. I am going to blow dry my hair just because I want it to be stretched and I want that chunky look, so I'll go ahead and blow dry my hair. So next I'll go ahead and create my sections. Alright, so before I blow dry my hair, I am going to use their dry oil. I'm going to spray this on each section just to help protect my hair from any heat and any damage that can occur from blow drying it. So first I'm going to detangle it with my detangler brush just to make sure that there are no knots or anything, and then I'm going to go in with this handheld blow dryer. I really like using this blow dryer because I guess the way it's positioned, it's not your typical dryer. It's kind of like that brush I was just using before. So I'm going to go ahead and just blow dry each section of my hair. Alright, so my hair is finished being blow dried, and it didn't have to be completely straight. I just wanted it to be stretched essentially. So here I'm just going to go ahead and do my regular braid out just like I always do. So I'm just going to braid each section, and then I'm going to put a yellow perm rod at the end of it and do this to my entire head. And I did forget to mention that I did use just a tad bit of butter on each braid just so that I could smooth it down a little bit. I didn't want to use anything too heavy because I didn't want it to revert back. So I did use just a tad bit on my hair. You can use any butter or cream of your choice. Alright, so here I am done with the braids, and you can see how many I have here, and I'm just going to let this sit. I think I let this stay in my hair for about 2 days, just because I really wanted the braids to really set and create that natural definition. So here I'm going to go ahead and start taking the braids out, and you can see here that they are nice and fluffy. And yeah, I really liked how this came out, and I'll just go ahead and take all of these out and kind of fluff them a little bit. So this is how my hair came out. It came out super soft and shiny, and it definitely feels very clean. I really like this line of products because my hair felt really good and nice and soft. So I'm going to continue to separate my hair just a little bit. I didn't want to separate it too much just because I know that it would naturally get bigger as the day goes by. So yeah, I'm just going to shake it a little bit and fluff it here and there, and this is the finished look. Alright, so this is the completed look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the Coconut Crème line by Africa's Best. I'll make sure to link it below for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.